Hi there. Let me welcome you again to this YouTube channel. And today we are connecting your website, your e-commerce website, your website in which customers always come in, come out, and you don't really understand what is happening on the website. So we are connecting that website to Google Analytics, which is the GA4. So this will give you understanding on how the step-by-step on how it is connected and how you can start streaming data from your website down to the GA4 platform. So let us go into it. So you will need to go to googleanalytics.com, googleanalytics.com. Then you will be brought to this particular website that you are seeing on my screen. So the next thing you will just need to do is to click on start measuring. Then it will ask you what is the account details. I can just type testing GA4, then can leave everything else that you can see here. Then go to next. It will ask you for property details. Property details is where the website is dropping into. So you need to create a property for it. So I can just call this again testing property, because this is just a testing account in the first place. So we will need to click which region are you. I'm in the United Kingdom currently. So click the website, then to set the timer automatically for itself. So you can change the currency, but I prefer to leave it at US dollars. So click on next. After clicking next, the next thing is for us to provide a details of the business you are trying to connect to GA4. And this is very important so that you'll be able to understand what the enormity of what is being tracked. So then let me just pick small business, 1 to 10 employee. Maybe this is your own business size as well. So which category is it? In which industry is this business operating? So I can pick anything based on what let me just pick real estate. Then let me click next. So the next thing that is very important for us is to choose what your objective is in Google Analytics. What brought you to Google Analytics? Why are you using Google Analytics? So is it for lead generation? Is it to drive sale? Is it for website, web, understand web or app traffic, in which you are not actually tracking application here? So view users engagement, which is very important as well. And then any other objective that actually brought you into GA4. Then you click on create. When you click on create, you will click on I accept, where you can go through all this. So agree, I accept, then boom, to something, the property has been created. So immediately the property has been created. It's just like a platform. So now we are now bringing the website into it. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a google.com website. That's a site I just created from Google. So you can also create the website. Just go to sites.google.com. You can create your small website from it so that you'll be able to at least practice and understand through this thing that I'm just trying to show you. So this is the website that I will be connecting to this particular GA4 that we are walking us through. It's just a small website. So the next thing is for me now to connect it. So I'm connecting the web, not an Android app, not an iOS app. So I'm connecting the web to this. So I need to ask me what is the name of this particular website I'm connecting. So because I don't have the link yet, let me just first publish this. Then I can just call it parent again. So okay. Yes, so this address has been taken. So let me just write parents again. That's also been taken. So let's just say father and child. Yes. This is very okay. So I can click on publish. Immediately I click on publish, I can view the published web. So when I view the published web, this is the published web, then I can copy this, copy this, then come to the Google Analytics here, then I can paste the website here. So when I paste the website here, there's no need for me to start with HTTPS because HTTPS is already here. So I will remove this out of here just to name it sites.this and this. So what's the name of my website? Let's call it Father and Child websites. Then I will click on create and continue. Very simple. So that website has been brought into Google Analytics. So it will ask you these certain things. So I don't need a Google Tag Manager yet. I don't do so. Now, immediately it is being brought into the GA4. It has not started data streaming at all. No data streaming has started on this particular website I've connected into GA4. So there's a need for us to activate it so that it can be streaming data into GA4. So how will I do it? The best thing is just to copy the measurement ID here, then go to the website that I created, or your own website, your e-commerce website, your book website, and every other website that is bringing in people into it, maybe to view one or two things. So then I will click on settings here, go to analytics, then that ID that I copied, I'm pasting it here. So when I paste it like that, then I will close this. Then the next thing I will do is to hit the publish. So automatically there are no unpublished stuff. So that one has been published. Or just for you to be sure, you can just remove just one thing, then hit unpublish again. Then it will tell you that the website has been published. So the website has been published. Click on publish. That one is just to give you a preview of what is done. So after that is done, then go back to Google Analytics. And then I can tell you that you can now click on next because that data has been done. So data has started pending into this. So you can go back to home. When you go back to home, it will give you an instruction. Yes, you can click on feedback and all, then you can save. So it will show you this particular format in which it tells you number of users that has come into the website, event counts, key events, then the user. So one thing that we can do here is that we can just play a bit with the website. Let's just check one or two things on the website. Let's see if it will show on this property that we have created. So let's go back to the website. Let's just scroll around the website. Let's check the family pictures. Wow, these are the good family pictures. Just note one thing, that this website is not a real website. It's a website that is on site.google.com. So you can also check the story updates. Okay, this is nice. Parent tips. Okay, about. Okay, this is fine. So just play with the web because we want to see how it can gather data. So then let's go back to our analytics and let's see if anything has happened here. Automatically, an active user in the last 30 minutes has come to the website, meaning that our website is well connected to Google Analytics and we can start performing magic and performing stuffs on this. So the simple website I connected was this website, and Google Analytics has picked that one up as an activity has started happening on this particular website. So, and one thing is that you can just view the report. We'll still come to dig deep inside this report in the next video, This video is just to tell you that you can connect your small website to GA4 to see what is happening there, or your e-commerce business. Maybe you are selling something online. You just want to understand how people are coming into the website, what is bringing them to the website, how are they interacting in the website. This gives you an opportunity to be able to connect it to the website and see what is really, really happening. Because from here, you can actually view some report that has happened. I've been the one that has connected. It's telling me that I'm here, and in the last 5 minutes, this is what I've done. These are the activities that has happened. This is the website page that I visited. I visited the homepage. I visited the about. I visited the story pane in which we visited the other time that we were actually showing it. So I view 4 pages, as we can see in that particular website, and then every other thing else is being captured right. It's being captured right and well from the website that I just created. So we have one active user, which is myself. In the last 30 minutes, I view 4 pages because that is like an action. That is like an event that happened on the website. And then that is just the number of active per user. I only used like 3 minutes ago is what I did. And these are the pages that I visited. And this is how everybody that is visiting your website, this is how they are being tracked. And so there are a volume of data that goes into it, especially when your website is an active website. So join me again in the next video, as I showed you how to navigate this place, how to navigate this particular screen that you are watching on my screen here, then how to move it from here down to BigQuery, where we are doing the big job, which is very simple, trust me. So see you in the next video.